Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix substitute button not showing. So you are playing a head-to-head match and you want to substitute a player, but the substitution button is not showing. Then watch this video because I'll show you some easy way to just get the substitution back and substitute players during head-to-head match or any match in FC Mobile. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is to just come over to my club right over here. So when you come over to club, just select my team right over here, and just go ahead and just select the lineup right over here. And as you can see, auto substitution is on. So just go ahead and just turn it off right over here. So when you turn it off, all you need is to just go and just play a match. So let me just go and let me just play a match.
Hold me close till I get up.